Okay, in last lecture, means yesterday, we have done some examples for arbitrary interval. Okay, we discuss about the arbitrary period, functions having an arbitrary period, and we want to find the Fourier series for that arbitrary function. Arbitrary period, sorry, not a function, arbitrary period. Okay, so Fourier series is same for both the case, first one and second one. Okay, and change will be in limits, means c less than x less than c plus 12 will be 0 to 3, 0 minus 1 to 1, 0 to 2, etc. Okay, for that we have already discussed first example, find a Fourier series with period 3 to represent f of x is equal to 2x minus x square. We was found 0 a0 and an. Okay, we completed three steps. Step number 1, state Fourier series. Step number 2, find a0. Step number 3, find an. Am I right? How many students try for bn? Raise your hand. How many students try for bn? Please raise your hand. Yes, good. Only 2 students try for that. Oh bapre. Okay, so what? Okay, we cannot say because we are in online mode. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we start with bn. Okay, so bn is equal to 1 upon l integration c to c plus 2l f of x sin n pi x by l dx is equal to, what is our l here in our example? It is 3 by 2 if you don't forget it. So 1 upon 3 by 2 means l is 3 by 2, limit is 0 to 3, 2x minus x square sin n pi x by 3 by 2 dx, because f of x is our 2x minus x square. Okay, so I substitute it here. Now if I integrate the integrand, then 2 by 3 is outside, integration 2x minus x square is as it is, minus cos 2n pi x by 3 divided by 2n plus, sorry, 2n pi not plus 1, 2n pi by 3 is there, minus derivative of 2x minus x square will be 2 minus 2x, and integration of minus cos will be minus sin, and constant divided by constant, here already one constant is there, so it is square, plus the derivative of first term. So 2, sorry, it is 0, minus 2 is there. Okay, minus 2 means derivative of 2 will be 0, minus 2 derivative of x will be 1. So minus 2 integration of minus sign. So minus sign gives minus minus plus cos 2n pi x by 3 divided by 2n pi by 3 cube. Okay, now I am substituting the limit, but I already discussed with you, whenever you complete this step, then you have to think about the sine term. Okay, so what is here? If I substitute 3 in sine term, then we get minus sine 2 and pi. That means here if you substitute 3, then 3 will be cancel out. Okay, then what we get here? Minus sine 2 and pi. Okay, and minus sine 2 and pi will be 0, and same with same the concept, if you substitute 0, then it gives minus sine 0 and it will be also 0. So in both the case, sine term will be 0, so whole term, second term will be 0. You cannot talk about this second step in next step. Okay, because here both the limits have value 0. Okay, so if you substitute 3, so we get here, 1 minute. Okay, we get here 2 by 3 as it is, 2 into 3, that means 6 minus 9. Okay, minus cos 3 will be cancelled out, so 2n pi divided by 2n pi by 3. Okay, minus 2 is there, so minus 2 cos, again 3 will be cancelled out, so 2n pi divided by 2n pi by 3 whole cube. Okay, this is for 3. Now if I substitute 0, then first term 0 minus 0, it gives 0, so minus 0. If I substitute 0 in third term, last term, so we get minus minus plus, because we are substituting second limit, so minus minus plus 2 into cos 0 divided by 2n pi by 3 whole cube. Okay, so this is your next step. Now I open this and substitute all values. So 6 minus 9, it gives minus 3, minus minus plus. Okay, cos 2n pi, cos 2n pi will be minus 1 raised to 2n divided by 2n pi by 3. Okay, minus 2 cos 2n pi will be minus 1 raised to 2n again, but minus 1 raised to 2n is 1. Okay, so it is 1 divided by 2n pi by 3 whole cube plus 2 divided by 2n pi by 3 whole cube. Okay, so this is my next step. Okay, if you think second term and third term, here you have minus 2 by this one and plus 2 by this one, so it will be cancel out. Now think about first term, so 2 by 3 as it is, so 3 will be upper side, so 9 minus 1 raised to 2n means 1, and here we have 2n pi. Okay, so if you 2 will be cancel out and 3 will be cancel out, so we have 3 upon n pi, and that is our final Bn. Okay, how many students have problem to understand this Bn? Raise your hand. मीन्स कितने लोगों को नहीं पता चला है? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. जय, यस. वेर इज द प्रॉब्लम जय?
ના સર ખબર પડી ગઈ. પહેલા તમે કીધું જેને ખબર પડી એ.
Okay, okay. Anybody? Okay, that means I accept this. All students understand this Bn. Okay. What about D2D student? Yes. 500 and 503 is not joined. Okay, 1 minute. 20 T. Okay, 500. Are you understand this Bn? Okay, I think that is a problem. Okay. So this is our Bn. If you simplify all these terms, then we have 3 upon n pi, and that is our Bn. So step number 4 now completed. Okay, so we have a0, an and bn. So step number 5 is substituting the values of a0, an and bn in our Fourier series. So what we get here, a0 means, what is our a0? A0, I think it will be 0. It was 0, yes. Okay, so this is 0, so our f of x is equal to 2x minus x square. Okay, यही था ना, 2x minus x square ना? Yes, is equal to a0 means 0 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Now an, what is my an? I think I discussed and final with minus 9 upon n square pi square. Okay, yes, into cos n pi x divided by 3 by 2, and 2 मैंने ऊपर ले लिया, that means 2n pi x by 3 plus bn. Bn is our 3 upon n pi, we derive now. Okay, into sine 2n pi x by 3. Okay, now big bracket is there after summation and completion of this. Okay, so this is my final Fourier series for 2x minus x square. So what is change here? कितने लोगों को यहाँ पे चेंज दिख रहा है एज कंपेयर टू फर्स्ट मेथड? ओके, तो फर्स्ट मेथड में और इसमें क्या क्या डिफरेंस दिख रहा है आपको? एनीबडी? क्या वेरिएशन क्या लग रहा है? You can unmute yourself and speak. Student, please let me inform. Difference लग रहा है कि नहीं? If you think that yes, then think about the what are the changes. क्योंकि ये आपको पूरे यूनिट को इसी तरीके से देखना है. यस निहिर?
सर पाईના ટર્મ્સમાં આન્સર નથી આમાં.
क्या हुआ?
પાઈ નથી આન્સરમાં. પાઈ
Yes, pi is there. Pi is there, Nihir. Okay. If you don't compare these, then look at here. If you compare this with previous method, so here pi is available in cos and sine both. But in first method, you can see here, in first method, if you go with the 0 to 2 pi, then there is no any pi in cos and sine term. Understand? That is the first difference. Okay. Second, the value of L will be changed here. Okay. So the effect of values of change is appear in cos and sine term. Understand? Clear? Okay. These two are the difference as compared to first method. Got it? Okay. कितने लोगों को नहीं पता चला? Raise your hand. If you don't understand, then please raise your hand. So I will repeat it. Okay? तो यहाँ पे चेंज क्या हुआ, फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूँ कि चेंज क्या हुआ कि फर्स्ट मेथड में जो कॉस एंड साइन जो दोनों जो हमारे टर्म थे फाइनल फूरियर सीरीज में उसमें पाई नहीं आ रहा था और यहाँ पे पाई आएगा. ओके. सेकंड थिंग कि वहां पे जो L की वैल्यू था इटसेल्फ पाई था. अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि L की वैल्यू कोई नंबर है तो दैट विल अपीयर इन cos and sine term. Okay, these two are the difference in first method and second method. Okay, now we go for second example. Here you can solve, you can try for this. Obtain the Fourier series to represent f of x is equal to x square in the interval -1 less than x less than 1. Okay, so again you have to start with step number 1, and what is that? F of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bracket an cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L. Okay, that is your step number 1, and mention the value of L. So what is our value of L here? So you can compare this example here. Okay, here you can compare this interval with c less than x less than c plus 2l. What we get here? So c is equal to -1 and c plus 2l is equal to 1. So 2l is equal to 2, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप जैसे ही -1 रिप्लेस करेंगे. ओके, चलो यहाँ पे करता हूँ, फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप करूंगा. ओके, सो -1 plus 2l is equal to 1. So 2l is equal to 2. Now if you find L, then what is my L? L is equal to 1 here. Understand? Any doubt in L? So here my L is 1. Okay, now first step is completed. Now think about A0. चलो सब लोग करेंगे, A0 फाइंड करने के लिए ट्राई करेंगे. I give you 2 minutes. Do fast, dear student, do fast. Okay, we want to find the a0 plus for f of x is equal to x square. So I replace here 1 by 1 -1 to 1 x square dx. Okay, now find the value of this step.
one by 3.
1 by 3. Okay, one answer is 1 by 3. Okay, what about others?
2 by 3.
Yes, 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Then 2 by 3. Good.
2 by 3.
Okay, so 1 by 3 किसका आ रहा था? Please check. It is 2 by 3. Got it? Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay, Nihir. हाँ. Okay, now here -1 to 1 x square. जिसको नहीं मिला है, look at here. You can go with different two methods. So 0 to 1 x square dx और यू कैन सीधा यू कैन डायरेक्टली इंटीग्रेट दिस, आप सीधा इसको इंटीग्रेट भी कर सकते हो। अगर मैं इस मेथड से नहीं जा रहा हूँ तो मेरा सीधा क्या हो जाएगा, देखो एक्स स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा एक्स क्यूब बाई थ्री, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर विल बी एक्स क्यूब बाई थ्री माइनस 1 to 1. If you replace this value, then 1 by 3 minus minus plus 1 by 3 and it gives 2 by 3. Okay. If you go with this, then you can directly get 2 into 1 by 3 and it is 2 by 3. Done? Okay. In both the case, our answer is 2 by 3. Okay. Now n, we think about n. So 1 by 1 integration c to c plus 12 will be my minus 1 to 1. Okay, now here x square is there, cos n pi x by 1 into dx. Okay, आपको जल्दबाजी नहीं करना. If you do hurry up or if you do fast, then you will made a mistake. Okay, make a mistake. So don't be फास्ट. ओके, आपको जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना है, क्योंकि आप जैसे ही यहाँ पे 1 रखना भूल गए या फिर पाई पाई कैंसिल कर दिया, देन यू लॉस योर मार्क्स. ओके, सो माइनस 1 to 1 एक्स स्क्वायर कॉस एन पाई एक्स इंटू डी एक्स. सो नाउ इफ यू राइट डाउन हियर माइनस 1 to 1 एक्स स्क्वायर कॉस एन पाई एक्स डी एक्स. ओके, also you can go with two different methods. Here e1 into e1 will be, for example, x square into x raised to 4, it gives x raised to 6, again e1. So you can go with 2 times integration 0 to 1 x square cos n pi x dx. But if you forgot it, then you can do directly also. So x square is as it is. What is the integration of cos? It is sin n pi x divided by n pi minus derivative of x square, it is 2x into minus cos. Okay, so here you have minus cos 2 नहीं है, n, सिर्फ n pi x. Okay, so n pi x divided by n square pi square. I am writing directly n square pi square. Okay, you can put also n pi whole square. Okay, then third term will be plus, derivative of 2x will be 2 and integration of minus cos will be minus sin n pi x divided by n cube pi cube. Okay, now limit will be minus 1 to 1. Again I complete this step and verify the term for sine. Okay, so sine n pi, because if I substitute 1, then it will be sine n pi, and sine n pi will be always 0. Okay, and if you substitute minus 1, then it gives sine minus n pi, and it is also minus sine n pi, and it gives again 0. So in both the case, these two terms will be 0. So we only think about the second term. So first I write down the second term. So minus minus plus 2x, okay, cos n pi x divided by n square pi square, in bracket value is minus 1 to 1. If I substitute 1, so we get 2 cos n pi upon n square pi square. Okay, minus, if I substitute minus 1, so here you have minus 2 into cos minus n pi divided by n square pi square. Okay, now if you write down here and substitute the value of cos n pi will be minus 1 raised to n upon n square pi square. Here minus minus plus. Okay, and cos minus n pi is nothing but cos n pi, that's why it is again minus 1 raised to n, sorry 2 is there, so 2 minus 1 raised to n upon n square pi square, and final answer is my 4 minus 1 raised to n divided by n square pi square. Done? So this is my an. Any doubt in this an? Please let me inform. Anybody?
No, sir.
No? Okay, then think about bn. Okay, चलो bn करो, तब तक मैं इसको इरेज कर देता हूँ. Okay, think about bn and do or find bn. जिसको भी आंसर मिल जाता है प्लीज लेट मी इन्फॉर्म. Nobody. This is bn is only two-step example. Sorry, two step. How? Look at here. So I change my ink. Okay, 1 by 1. Okay, bn is equal to 1 upon L c to c plus 2L f of x sin 4 pi x by L dx. It is two-step example. Here you can verify it. Minus 1 to 1. F of x is my x square, and this is my sin n pi x into dx. That's all. खत्म हो गया ये. अब we know one formula of integration or one property of integration. If you have minus 1 to 1 means negative and positive limits and the function is odd. How it is odd? This is even, x square is even and sine is odd. So even into odd is always odd. How? मैंने आपको समझाया भी था. ओके, कैसे हुआ? तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव एक्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई विथ ऑड फंक्शन एक्स, देन इट विल बी एक्स क्यूब. तो एक्स क्यूब इज अगेन ऑड. तो इफ यू हैव नेगेटिव साइन एंड पॉजिटिव साइन एंड इंटीग्रैंड इज ऑड, then the integration, the value of integration is 0, big 0. Then मैंने बोला था ना आपको टू स्टेप एग्जाम्पल है ये. Then so I have a0, an and bn. So I completed 4 steps. So if I substitute all these values in equation 1, so what we get here? F of x is my x square. So x square is equal to a0 means my 2 by 3. So 2 by 2 into 3 because there is a 2 already there, plus summation. What is my an? N equal to 1 to infinity. What is my an? An is my 4 into minus 1 raised to n. 4 into minus 1 raised to n. N square pi square into cos. Okay. अब यहाँ पे cos क्या आएगा? L is equal to 1. So n pi x आएगा. And second term तो 0 है. So this is my required Fourier series after solving or after cancel out these all terms. So 2 will be cancel out, 1 by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 4 into minus 1 raised to n upon n square pi square. Now I cannot replace the value of cos x here. Okay, so it is keep as it is. Okay, so this is my final answer for Fourier series of f of x is equal to x square in the interval minus 1 less than x less than 1. Any doubt, student?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
Okay, good. What about others?
No, sir.
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now, okay, so we already discussed about the second method. It is our function having an arbitrary period. Both methods are same, but variation is in value of L. Now, we want to discuss about the third, and it is Fourier series of discontinuous functions. Okay, we will discuss about the Fourier series of discontinuous function. Discontinuous function means you have function with breakup. ओके मीन्स उसमें आपको 2 या 3 ब्रेक दिया होगा. ओके तो उसको हम कभी कभी जंप डिसकंटिन्यूटी भी बोलते हैं. ओके तो एक है तो जंप डिसकंटिन्यू बोलते हैं. तो ये फंक्शन जो है आपको 2 पार्ट में या 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करके दिया होगा. यू हैव द फंक्शन विथ डिवाइड इनटू 2 और 3 और 4 finite times. Okay, so in this discontinuous function you have to find the number of partition. So you have, for example, f of x is equal to g of x, h of x, c less than x less than d, d less than equal to x less than c plus 2n. So you have 2 distribution means 2 partition. So the integration will be distributed into 2 function. Okay, 2 part. Okay, there is a change in, sorry, it is change in discontinuous function method. Any doubt, student? If you don't understand, please let me inform.
No doubt, sir.
ओके हिंदी में अगर बात करें तो फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूं कि आपको 2 बार अगर फंक्शन को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके दिया है मीन्स 2 बार डिवाइड करके दिया है जी और एच में, तो जो हमारी मेन फॉर्मूला है वो तो एज इट इज रहेगा, लेकिन चेंज कहाँ पे होगा, जब आप लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हो तो इंटीग्रेशन 2 बार हो जाएगा. 2 बार है तो 2 बार, 3 बार है तो 3 बार, और लिमिट जो है अकॉर्डिंगली आपको लेना है. दैट मीन्स जी ऑफ एक्स की लिमिट है सी टू डी, सो सी टू डी, और यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द लोअर लिमिट, सो सी टू डी, डी टू सी प्लस 2l और रीच एट सी प्लस 2n. ओके सो सी टू डी जी ऑफ एक्स, क्योंकि मेरा सी टू डी में एफ ऑफ एक्स की वैल्यू जी ऑफ एक्स है डी एक्स प्लस d to c plus 2l में मेरा f of x है h of x, so I put here h of x dx. मीन्स इंटीग्रेशन का आपको पार्टीशन करना है और बाकी सब कुछ एज इट इज है. ओके ऑल अदर्स मेथोडोलॉजी एंड ऑल अदर्स फॉर्मूला विल बी सेम. देयर इज नो चेंज इन फॉर्मूलाज, बट वेरिएशन इज हियर. You have to distribute integration or you have to divide integration into 2 or 3 partition. Okay, done. So shall we go for first example, dear student?
Yes, sir.
विधि ने बोला यस, बाकी का क्या हाल है? मुझे तो सबका आंसर चाहिए. हाँ
Yes,
I
sir.
want,
Yes, sir.
okay, I
Yes,
want to
sir.
listen all. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Okay, what about D2D student? Are you understand? D2D student, are you there? 500 and 503.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you understand?
Sir.
No or yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suresh? Suresh is not there. Okay. Okay, no problem. So we go with first example. Okay, we want to discuss about first example, and what is it? It is find the Fourier series for f of x is equal to x 2 pi minus x 0 less or equal to x less or equal to pi, pi less or equal to x less or equal to 2 pi. So first term साथ में करेंगे. चलो, what is our first term? Sorry, first step. First term, not first term. First step. What is my first step? कौन बताएगा? चलो, अब मैं जिसको पूछता हूँ वही बताएगा. कौन है हमारे क्लास में? ओके, चलो 19. ओके, हीरवा. चलो नेम से ही बोल देता हूँ. हीरवा भाग गए. Okay. Darshil, what is your first step? Number one, Darshil, are you there? Darshil, okay. Bhavesh, do
Yes,
faster.
sir.
What is your first step? To find the Fourier series? Do fast, yaar. Is there any network issue? My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir. No, sir, not visible.
Not visible. Means I am doing or I am erasing some data. Have you seen it?
Visible. Visible
Okay.
છે sir.
Okay, okay. So, what is my first step? I have to write down the formula for Fourier series. Okay, वही के वही सारे स्टेप है. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था कि there is no change in any formula, but variation is in integration. Okay, so I write down the first step. It is my f of x is equal to e0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus bn sin n pi x by l. एंड व्हाट इज माय एल हियर. ओके, सबको यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है. एल कैसे फाइंड करना है, तो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल फॉर एल. तो व्हाट इज माय मिनिमम लिमिट हियर, कौन बताएगा? जीरो. ओके, सो जीरो से मुझे स्टार्ट करना है. एंड व्हाट इज माय मैक्सिमम लिमिट? 2 pi. Okay, so this is your whole limit, this is your final interval. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि 0 to pi का l अलग आएगा और pi to 2 pi का, no chance. Okay, आपको सीधा मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम के बारे में सोचना है. दैट इज योर इंटरवल एंड फ्रॉम दिस इंटरवल you have to find the value of L. So compare with C less than X less than C plus 2L, you have C is equal to 0 and C plus 2L is equal to 2 pi. So if you substitute 0, so we have 2L is equal to 2 pi and your L is pi. Understand? So my L is pi. Okay, now I want to find a0. So a0 is equal to 1 by L c to c plus 2L f of x dx. So 1 upon pi integration, what is my whole interval? It is 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi, I cannot substitute f of x here first. Okay, so f of x dx is same. Now how many times my f of x will be break? So 2 times. So I write down first in this way. Please look at here. I write down 2 integration first. What is my first? 0 to pi. It is my first, है ना? 0 to pi, and second one is pi to 2 pi. So pi to 2 pi. Done. In 0 to pi, what is my f of x? So my f of x for 0 to pi is x. So here I substitute x dx, and what is my f of x for pi to 2 pi? It will be 2 pi minus x. So 2 pi minus x dx. Done. यही वेरिएशन है फर्स्ट मेथड, सेकंड मेथड एंड थर्ड मेथड में. ओके, तो ये थर्ड मेथड में थोड़ा नया आया. आप जो एक ही बार प्रोसेस कर रहे थे वो यहाँ पे 2 टाइम्स करना है, नथिंग एल्स. ओके, सो यहाँ पे I am writing here 1 upon pi as it is. Now what is my integration of x? It is x square by 2 and limit will be 0 to pi. And what is my integration of 2 pi minus x? It will be 2 pi x minus x square by 2 and limit will be pi to 2 pi. Okay, done. Okay, now if I substitute the value of x pi. So I have pi square by 2 minus 0 plus. If I substitute 2 pi here, so it gives 4 pi square minus 4 pi square divided by 2. Second limit substitute कर रहा हूँ, that means minus. So 2 pi square minus pi square by 2. Okay. So if I open this, then what we get here? If I open this, then we have 1 upon pi as it is, pi square by 2 as it is. Now 4 pi square minus 4 pi square by 2, that means here 1 and minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So it gives 4 pi square by 2 लेकिन प्लस. ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप 4 पाई स्क्वायर कॉमन निकालेंगे तो इट गिव्स 1 माइनस 1 बाई 2 इंटू 4 पाई स्क्वायर. ओके, so it is 1 by 2 4 pi square. Now if you think about last term, so it is 2 pi square, so 4 pi square minus pi square by 2, it gives 3 pi square by 2, so minus 3 pi square by 2, and the final answer is 1 upon pi. Here pi square by 2 plus 4 pi square by 2, total 5 pi square by 2 minus 3, it gives 2 pi square by 2. Okay, and 2 will be cancel out and pi will be cancel out. So my A0 is pi. Am I right? Okay, any doubt in A0? If you have doubt, then please let me inform. Student, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Jay, Dromil, Bhavesh, Satish,
No doubt, sir.
Prithviraj. Okay,
No, sir.
okay. Then we go for AN. AN थोड़ा AN and BN दोनों लेंथी हो जाएंगे. तो look at here, 1 upon pi, because my L is pi, so 1 upon pi, my whole limit is 0 to 2 pi. f of x में अभी सब्सटीट्यूट नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि मैंने टोटल लिमिट लिया है. f of x into cos. ओके, अब यहाँ पे पाई पाई विल बी कैंसल आउट, सो हियर वी हैव nx dx. ओके, नाउ what is my change in this method? It is 2 times integration, so I put here integration and integration. What is my first? 0 to pi, and second integration for pi to 2 pi. In 0 to pi, my function is x. Am I right? Yes, it is x into cos nx dx, and second function in pi to 2 pi, my second function is 2 pi minus x into cos nx dx. Okay, so this is my change or variation in this method. So 1 upon pi, जो मैं वहाँ पे 1 टाइम कर रहा था, यहाँ पे we have to do 2 times. So pi into cos nx, the integration of x into cos nx will be x as it is. The integration of cos will be sin nx divided by n, minus the derivative of x will be 1, integration of sin will be minus cos nx upon n square, and the limit will be 0 to pi. Okay, so this is your first integration. Next term will be 0, so I don't write it, plus next. So 2 pi minus x as it is. Now if you integrate cos, so it will be sin, वो तो सेम ही रहेगा. ओके, यहाँ पे जो साइन दिया है वही का वही यहाँ पे होगा, sin nx upon n minus the derivative of 2 pi minus x will be minus 1 into integration means minus cos nx अपॉन n स्क्वायर, और उसको ब्रैकेट करेंगे, है ना, थोड़ा ब्रैकेट अच्छी तरीके से, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, लिमिट है मेरा पाई टू 2 पाई एंड द बिग ब्रैकेट ड्यू टू 1 अपॉन पाई. Okay, now what is my next term? What is my next step? So you have to think about the sin term. Okay, मैंने आपको हर एक एग्जांपल में यही सेंटेंस दिया है कि जब भी आपका ये स्टेप कंप्लीट हो जाए तो साइन के बारे में सोचो. तो यहाँ पे साइन, अगर यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे तो साइन nx है, तो यू हैव टू रिप्लेस x इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई. सो साइन 2n pi, and sin 2n pi will be 0, and same you have sin n pi, so it is also 0. Okay, I think, sorry, oh shit, sorry. Okay, this is pi and 0. Okay, so here you have only sin n pi, and sin n pi will be 0, and sin 0 is also 0. That's why this first term will be cancelled. Means you have, you do not need to discuss first term. And same, you have the sin 2n pi and sin n pi is 0, so you do not need to discuss the third term. Okay, so we have only two terms, so think about it. So 1 upon pi is there, minus minus plus cos nx divided by n square, and here we have 0 to pi. Okay, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, so minus cos nx divided by n square, and we have limit pi to 2 pi. Okay, now I am replacing limit one by one. So what we have, 1 upon pi as it is. Now if you replace pi, so cos n pi. Okay, in both the term you can see here 1 upon n square, so I write down only one time outside 1 upon n square pi. In both the term we have 1 upon n square common, because there is no variation in n due to the value of x. So cos n pi is there, minus cos 0 minus cos 2 n pi, minus minus plus, because we are substituting second limit, cos n pi. Okay, so here we have 1 upon n square pi. Okay, cos n pi 2 times, so cos minus 1 raised to n, minus cos 0 is 1 and cos 2n pi is also 1, so it is minus 2, because 2 times we have. So 2 upon n square pi into minus 1 raised to n minus 1 is our final an. Any doubt? Please, quick response. Any doubt in an?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Then anybody? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. Then we go for Bn. So Bn is, what is my Bn? 1 upon L C to C plus 2L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. Okay. Same, 1 upon pi integration 0 to 2 pi, my given limit. f of x में अभी नहीं substitute कर सकता, because I am talking about total limit. sin nx बचेगा क्योंकि pi will be cancel out, and dx. Okay, so here we have 1 upon pi as it is. Now what is variation in this method? It is distributed 2 times with integration, so 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi. Now if you replace the value of f of x for 0 to pi, it is nothing but x sin nx dx plus pi to 2 pi. It is, I think, what is it? Pi minus x. Am I right? Yes, 2 pi minus x is that. So it is 2 pi minus x into cos, sorry, no cos, sine nx dx. Okay, now bracket close. Now integrate first term. So what we get here, x as it is, the integration of sine will be minus cos nx upon n minus the derivative of 1 will be x will be 1, so the integration of minus cos will be minus sine nx upon n square, and my limit is nothing but 0 to pi. Okay, plus if I integrate second term, so 2 pi minus x is as it is. Now integration of sine, again minus cos nx upon n minus the derivative of 2 pi minus x will be minus 1, and the integration of minus cos will be minus sine nx upon n square, and bracket लिमिट का ब्रैकेट रह गया, ब्रैकेट पाई टू 2 pi, and whole limit is 0 to, sorry, no 0, pi to 2 pi. The whole limit is not there, so here we stop here, pi to 2 pi. Okay, now what is my next step? You have to think about the sine term. So where are my sine terms? My sine terms are here, minus sine n pi and minus sine 0. In both the case it will be 0. Okay, so we have 1 upon pi bracket here x minus x cos nx divided by n, and limit is 0 to pi. Now second plus, here you have 2 pi minus x minus, okay, वो भी minus है, minus cos nx upon n, and limit will be pi to 2 pi, and big bracket is there. Okay, now 1 upon pi is there as it is. Okay, now if I substitute pi, so my first term will be minus pi cos n pi divided by n minus plus and 0 due to x. Okay, now if you think about second term, so you have first minus, so minus 2 pi minus 2 pi, okay, it will be 0. 2 pi minus 2 pi will be 0, and if I substitute second limit in second term, so you have minus plus 2 pi minus pi, it gives pi cos n pi divided by n. Okay, again if you think about minus and plus here, so it will be cancel out, because this is minus and this is plus, and same cos n pi by n, so the value of bn will be 0. Understand? Okay, so we have a0 is pi, an is 2 upon n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1, and bn is 0. So what is my last step? Substitute the value of a0, an and bn in given Fourier series, in Fourier series expression 1 we have, अब क्या मिलेगा, you can see here. Okay, yes, this is my example, x 2 pi minus x, so my a0 is pi, an is 2 upon n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1, and 0. So if I substitute here a0, an and bn, so we have a0 means pi, so it is pi by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity, an is my 2 upon n square pi minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into cos. So cos nx. Done? Okay. So any doubt in this example, dear student? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Nihir has no doubt. Okay, then.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, Yagnesh, thank you. Satish, good. Okay, then. Okay, good. Then think about the second example. Okay, चलो second example के लिए सोचो तो it is easier to first. Okay, expand f of x in a Fourier series where f of x is equal to minus pi x, minus pi less than x less than 0 and 0 less than x less than pi with x. Okay, so what is my complete or total interval? It is minus pi because smaller value is minus pi now. X less than big value, highest value is pi. So this is my minus pi less than x less than pi example, but function is divided into two parts. That's why it is discontinuous function at 0. Clear? Okay, then try for this. Okay, we have no more time. So look at here. Everybody, look at here. This is my example, minus pi x, minus pi less than x less than 0, 0 less than x less than pi. So we have c is equal to minus pi and c plus 2l is equal to pi. That's why my l is equal to pi. So what is my a0? A0 is equal to 1 upon pi integration minus pi to pi f of x dx. Now my function has two partitions, so integration will be distributed in two parts. So minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi. What is my f of x for minus pi to 0? It is minus pi, so I am substituting minus pi dx plus integration 0 to pi x dx. If I integrate first term, so minus pi will be common and here you have the 1. So integration of 1 will be x. So minus pi to 0, okay, plus the integration of x will be x square by 2, 0 to pi. 1 upon pi minus pi, the value of this is 0 minus pi. It is plus pi. So, okay, so this is your first term. Now, if you substitute here, so you have pi square by 2 minus 0. It gives pi square by 2. Okay. Now, if you open this, then you have minus pi square plus pi square by 2. So it is nothing but minus 1 plus 1 by 2. It gives minus 1 by 2 or pi square common. So it gives minus 1 by 2 into pi square. So minus pi square by 2 is there into pi, 1 upon pi. So pi will be cancelled. So minus pi by 2 is my A0. Okay. You can compare and you can verify here for A0. Now if you think about an, so 1 upon pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. Okay, so first is my pi and second is my x, and limit will be minus pi to 0, 0 to pi. Here you have minus pi will be common outside, so the integration of cos nx will be sin nx upon n minus pi to 0. Here you have used Leibniz rule or integration by parts. So x is as it is. The integration of cos will be sin nx upon n minus the derivative of x is 1. The integration of sin will be minus cos divided by n is high, so n square. Next term will be 0. So here limit is 0 to pi. Okay. Now if you think about sin term, so sin 0 0, sin n pi 0, so this will be cancel out. Here sin n pi is 0, sin 0 is 0, so this term will be also cancel out. So we have 1 upon pi, only this term, so minus minus plus. ओके तो यहाँ पे, यहाँ मत देखो, यहाँ देखो. सो माइनस माइनस प्लस मैं अगर यहाँ पे सब्सटीट्यूट करूँ तो cos n pi डिवाइड बाय n स्क्वायर minus cos 0 divided by n square. So we have minus 1 raised to n upon n square minus 1 upon n square. So 1 upon n square is common and 1 by pi tha hi. So minus 1 raised to n minus 1 is your an. Okay. Now if you think about bn, so again 1 upon pi minus pi to 0 minus pi sin nx dx, 0 to pi x sin nx dx, minus pi will be outside and the integration of sin will be minus cos nx divided by n, minus pi to 0 is limit x, sin का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस कॉस, x का डेरिवेटिव 1, माइनस कॉस का माइनस साइन एंड लिमिट है 0 to pi. Okay, now if you think about sin terms, so this will be cancel out. Okay, क्योंकि आगे किया है वही का वही कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे. Okay, now for cos minus pi as it is, if you substitute 0 then it gives minus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, so minus 1 upon n, minus minus plus cos n pi. Cos n pi will be minus 1 raised to n upon n. Okay, so this is your minus pi into this one. Now here pi, so minus outside, so minus pi cos n pi will be minus 1 raised to n upon n and 0 पे तो वो 0 है. तो if you simplify this, so what we here 1 upon pi minus minus plus, sorry minus तो बाहर ही रखा है, तो minus minus plus. ओके पाई दोनों में, तो मैं पाई को भी कॉमन ले सकता हूँ, तो मैंने पाई को कॉमन लेके कैंसिल कर दिया. ओके तो व्हाट वी हियर, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 अपॉन n बचा फर्स्ट टर्म में, यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस 1 रेज टू n अपॉन n बचा. नाउ यहाँ पे माइनस तो था, तो माइनस माइनस 1 रेज टू n अपॉन n बचा. सो व्हाट इज माय फाइनल आंसर, सो 1 अपॉन n तो मैं बाहर ले सकता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे बचा 1 माइनस ये 2 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, सो 2 इंटू माइनस 1 रेज टू n. दिस इज योर बी एन. ओके यहाँ थोड़ी मिस्टेक हो गई है. ओके तो ये नहीं है. ओके यू कैन सी हियर 1 upon n and this one. Okay, so this is your bn. Bn is equal to 1 upon n, 1 minus 2 minus 1 raised to n. So you have a0, an and bn. So what is my last step? Substitute the values of a0, an and bn in Fourier series and we get f of x. यहाँ पे आप सब्सटीट्यूट नहीं कर सकते f of x की वैल्यू, इसलिए f of x एज इट इज रहेगा, कीप एट एज इट इज. a0 मीन्स मेरा क्या है, माइनस पाई बाई 2 है, सो माइनस पाई बाई 4 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an. What is my an here? An is, you can substitute here an, cos nx plus bn, you can substitute here bn, value of bn and sin nx. Okay, so this is your example. Any doubt, dear student?